Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we are working on our final alternate using the lovely lavender January 2024 paper pumpkin kit. So we have a 7-video series featuring 8 projects, okay? And this is project number 8, video number 7. So before we get started on the final project, let's go over some buzzworthy business. This is the February Sweet Springtime Paper Pumpkin Kit that's going to make 9 projects and comes with an early espresso stamping spot. And you have until February 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit, which there is a link in the description box below for you to do so. We have our Love of Spring dies. That's an add-on for the first 3 months kits, January, February, and March. It's a set of 4 dies for $12, okay? We have our mystery boxes. These are the boxes that I have filled with my retired Stampin' Up products. Some is new, some is used, all retired. It's in a medium flat rate United States Postal Service box. The price is $25. Shipping is included. I can only ship in the US. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. We have our host code for January. Please use this code whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And we don't want you to miss out on any of that, especially during celebration, where you can earn some free products for every $50 that you spend before shipping and tax. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on our card. We have our card base of thick basic white cardstock is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I just burnished down the score line. We have the inside of our card done. I just need to glue it together. This is basic white 3.5 by 4 3/4. We're going to glue that onto some garden green that is 5 by 3 3/4. I've added some little strips of paper from the card from the paper pumpkin kit, and then some basic black there. Okay, then we're going to add this into our card base. I like to get this done ahead of time so we don't have to worry about that. Don't forget it. Okay, so now we're going to start on the front of our card, and I have a couple of pieces here. So I want to start by doing a little bit of stamping on the front of our card. Let me get some scrap paper because I do believe I'm going to be going off the edge. I have a stamp here from the Quiet Meadows stamp set. We're going to be using some Memento Tuxedo black ink, and we're going to stamp the little dottage stamp. Let me get this on here a little better. We're just going to put some, I want to make sure this gets really dark. Just going to put some splatters of this, just like that. That's it. And then I want to stamp some this leafy stamp from our paper pumpkin stamp. And let me see. I have a circle here that I punched. I believe this is 2 3/8, using a 2 3/8 inch circle punch, and I'm going to put that right there. So I want to stamp a few of these. I want to put, I know I want one right here. I think I'll just do 2, and I'll do them opposite each other, just like that. Okay, so that is all of our stamping done. Get that out of here. So I have a piece of garden green here. I have no idea. I think this is 3/4 inches, and we're just gonna glue this down flat to our card, making sure I didn't have it on the wrong side. I might need my silicone sheet for this, because I'm not sure how long I want this to be. So I'm gonna put that about right there. Let me make sure this is straight. I'm gonna put that about right there. Then we're gonna glue down our circle here. We're gonna put this right here, just like that. Was I supposed to glue the circle down? I don't think I was. I have these springs here that need to go under the circle. So let me try to lift it up the edges and quickly glue this down before we can't get it under there. So this is from the kit here. And we, ooh, come on. We want to put that right there. Then I have a vellum leaf from the Love of Spring dies that coordinate with this paper pumpkin kit, the add-on. We're gonna put that right there, so then we can shut that down. And I have another vellum piece here. I die cut these, but I also added some of the adhesive sheet to the back of the vellum so that I can make it a sticker so we wouldn't have to worry about. I put that right over my stamped image, isn't that something? Okay, so then we have this piece is from the paper pumpkin kit. It's a strip from one of the card fronts. I'm not sure what size it is, but let me see. I think I want this one about right here. Hoping it's straight. Then I have a piece of the card front. It looks like it's about 1/4 of an inch. And I've bannered the ends of this one. And we're gonna put that one about right there. Do I have glue? I don't have enough glue. Ooh, that was too much glue. Okay, so we have, ooh, I don't even have it straight. Come on. Don't mess up. Oh man, that's a lot of glue. Okay, and ahead of time, I went ahead and I stamped this in Versamark on black, and I heat embossed it. Then I fussy cut it with some scissors, and we're just gonna glue that on right here. Right about there. Actually, up a little bit, right about there. Then I did the word with as well and cut that out. And we're just gonna pop that on right here. Ooh, that's a little high. Getting glue everywhere. Okay, so that is all of our gluing down. Now we need to trim off these extra long pieces here. Got glue on the inside of my card. Okay, and now the last thing to do is add some bling. Where did I put it? We're going to be using the purple fine shimmer gems. Let's get those out and get our take your pick tool. And I'm going to be using the purple and the Highland Heather. The purple, Gorgeous Grape and the Highland Heather. I think. Come on. Let's see. I want a small one to go right here. Let's put some up here. Let's put one there. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 2 more. Let's do 2 more. I don't know where I want it. Put one there. And one more. Let's do about right there. I wanted this one to be blingy. Okay, that is our final card. Isn't that pretty? Man. Okay, let me show you. This is card number what? 8, video 7, project 8. Okay, that's the last project. And on video 6, project 7, I forgot to put the bling on, so I went ahead and put some of the same gems on this one. Okay, so we have that. Uh-oh, my little notes fell out. I need to keep my notes in the card. Okay, there's video 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, because this video was supposed to be 4, but it didn't record. So these two I showed in the same video. 3, 2, and 1. This one is a shaker. Okay, if you have not seen all the videos, go back and watch them so that you can see how I put these cards together. Oh, I should turn that one the right way. Okay. I appreciate you guys following along for our January 2024 Lovely Lavender Paper Pumpkin Kit alternate video series. Okay, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.